I gave you my heart.
Your body. So first go to filter and liquify. So in this window you can see a lot of tools. So choose pucker, and you can see the nose has stretched. So you can adjustment the size of the real brush. And so let's get started. So here you can see the nose has no good shape. So click this to pull inward the nose. One, two. So choose forward and to pull the nose into inward. So you can shape your nose to every shape you want. So it's up to you. And click OK. So you can see the nose has changed. Thanks for watching. Good luck.